Hey, welcome back to the channel. We're going to be doing a winter cleanup on my Ford Mustang. It didn't get driven in snow, but it got driven in some rainy weather, so it's definitely dirtier than when I usually like to keep it. It is January 1st, so it is officially winter. Oh, and the car is dirty. So we're going to give it a cleanup with some DIY detail rinseless in the foamer. We're also going to use Griot's Garage Rinseless Wash and Wax with some carnauba in there, and that's their waterless wash bottle that came in the kit that I got. Got the Griot's mixed up here, ready to go. Got the DIY detail in the foamer. I mixed up half a liter of the DIY detail in the foamer because I'm not going to plan on foaming the whole car up. I definitely want to get the sides because that's where it's the dirtiest. And the instructions say 4 ounces for a foam can or foam gun, which that's 32 ounces. So I did 2 ounces in a half liter here. So here we go. I'm going to do a little pre-spray. Since we're working in the garage, not out in the sun, and it's not that warm, it's about 40 degrees outside. Don't have to worry about this stuff drying too much. But I really like this stuff makes the foaming. You have to pump it up again, get some better foam. But that's going to be the first step. And if you guys noticed, got some tint on my glass. Santa Claus came early and brought me some window tint for Christmas. I think it looks pretty cool. And when it gets nice and sunny out, that tint's going to make that blue paint pop even more. So see you on the next leg of the journey here. All right, so I got the car foamed as much as what I wanted to foam, which is the dirtiest parts. I also put the foam on the windows because I put the Armor Detail Supply quartz glass coating on. I didn't want to put the Griots on with the carnauba wax. I don't know if that'd mess up with the characteristics of the glass coating. So I'm gonna get started on the hood. Got our big red sponge going here. Nice and light. Try to do front and back as best you can. We'll come up here and flip it over, do the half of the roof. And we'll come around and get the sides here in a little bit. All right, so off camera, I washed the top surfaces of the car and the glass with my, with the DIY Details sponge, and then I used the other sponges to do the top of the roof, trunk lid, and the hood. Since the sides of the car were much dirtier, I still got the DIY Detail rinseless foam working on the sides, pre-treating. So the back of the car here was the worst part, and just that's how it's still. So I pre-treated it with the DIY foam, and this is that piano black trim that Ford seems to like to use on the Mustangs a lot. A lot of manufacturers like using piano black, and this stuff scratches easy. So that's why I kind of wonder with the real soft brush. A lot of people use these on interiors, but they're super soft. We'll get around the letters there. And we'll get in here with the black sponge, clean that, clean under the trunk lid, and then we'll get to work on the sides. Okay, so here's a way that I clean wheels and tires waterlessly in the winter. I use the Mother's Back to Black tire cleaner, which is a waterless tire cleaner. Hit the tire with that. And then we'll do some DIY detail on the wheel. Let them both sit, and I just use some rags to make like a waterless out of it. So, but we'll get started with the wheel. This I know I made a video about this about a year ago about the Mudless Back to Black waterless tire cleaner. It is really cool stuff, especially if you're washing like this. Don't want to mess with the hose and all that. So this will be use this for the wheel, and I'll use this one for the tire. you can see the dirt that comes off of the tire from the mothers. So we'll get the rest of the wheel cleaned up, and have to do the rest of the tires and pick out a tire shine and finish the job. Now, this being a winter wash, I'm not going to clean the insides of the wheels as well as it's just hard to do it like in a waterless or rinseless setting, as opposed to when the weather's nicer. But we're going to make it look good anyway. All right, guys, there we have it. Washed with DIY Detail Rinseless, and then the Griot's Garage Rinseless as well for the hand part, DIY for foaming, and used Jay Leno's Garage Tire and Trim for the tires. Looks pretty good. And it's a nice yucky winter day, but got the car looking clean again. Can't handle it being dirty for very long. So we'll see you guys in the next video. Like and subscribe if you like to see these kind of videos of trying products and seeing what works and see what makes my cars look good. See you on the next video.